Hello, friends. Today is our Class 21, and our topic is the Appearance panel. You can find it in the Window menu, and its shortcut key is Shift plus F6. Here, you can see Stroke and Fill. On the right side, the eye icons allow you to hide or show any fill or stroke. At the bottom left, you will see two boxes, one for stroke and one for fill.
If you click on Stroke, a new stroke will be added. In the same way, if you click on Fill, a new fill will be added. Then go down to Effects, open Path, and click on Offset Path. Increase the radius. This will apply a new effect to your fill. After that, go to the second stroke, again open Effects, go to Path, and select Offset Path. Here, you can increase or decrease the stroke offset. You can also change the colors of both your fills and strokes anytime you want. That's it. Super simple.